I'm so excited that we are in clue 5 of our year-long Mystery Crochet Along, because I had told you from the start how absolutely gorgeously, gobsmackingly beautiful this pattern is, and now that we are this far along, you can see just how true that is. Is it not breathtaking? So we are recommending our Mirage Sport yarn for this pattern, and we are also now recommending colors in our Leicester Sport. So you have choices, or you can make one in each. And all of the different color versions on the forums are so scrumptious. You all really have such a way with colors. I am so excited to continue watching each of them progress. Thank you so much for sharing your photos. Okay, so we have made some beautiful progress so far, starting with this center circle to ground our entire piece. And then we moved into these beautiful rippling waves, this lovely little lacy section. Then we moved into our fun, flirty little popcorns from clue 4, and now on to our next clue. So for clue number 5, we are going to be learning how to crochet a spike cluster. So here's how that goes. To work our spike cluster, we're going to start with the yarn over, and we're going to insert our hook in the single crochet 2 rows below the single crochet just worked. So we just worked this single crochet. Here's the double crochet beneath it. Here's the single crochet below that. So after you yarn over, insert your hook into that and pull up a long loop. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Boop, boop. Now you're going to skip the next double crochet. You're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the single crochet below the next double crochet. So skip this one and the single crochet below the next double crochet. Insert your hook into that. Yarn over and pull up a long loop. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then to finish off, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So it should look like this. So let me just walk over and I'll show it to you again. Single crochet, single crochet. Okay, so let's say we're working another one. Here we go, yarn over. Go ahead and drop below this double crochet to the single crochet below that. Insert your hook and pull up a long loop. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now yarn over and you're going to skip the next double crochet and the next single crochet down here. And you're going to follow down below the next double crochet and insert your hook into that single crochet. Yarn over and pull up a long loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 3. So basically you've skipped a single crochet between your 2 little insertions here. So this is what you should be looking at. And there you have it, my beautiful friend. Don't you love it that you're learning all of these new stitch patterns this year? So if you run across any of these in future patterns, you'll have a reference to come back to. I think that's so fabulous. And remember to stay grounded and centered this month, my friend, no matter what happens. Stay true to your truth and your values. Happy crocheting this month, and I will see you next month with clue number 6. Bye-bye.